In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from DoorDash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to borrow money from DoorDash by using their DoorDash Capital program. Now, this program is going to allow drivers to receive money or funds between deliveries. It is a convenient way to cover expenses or bridge gaps in your income. However, there is a lot of stuff that you have to go over. So first, the eligibility. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria set by DoorDash. This is going to include a lot of factors like your driving history, delivery performance, and account standing. If you are eligible, usually there will be an invitation or notification from DoorDash to activate DoorDash Capital. Follow the instructions provided, and most of the time you will need to apply for their debit card, so keep that in mind. Once you see the option to activate DoorDash Capital or you are invited to join their program, all that you have to do is choose the option to borrow funds directly from the app. The amount that you can borrow may vary depending on your eligibility and account history, and DoorDash Capital typically involves a daily repayment fee. This fee is automatically deduced from your earnings until the loan is fully repaid. Be aware of the interest rates, the repayment schedule, and of course, responsible use of the service. And as long as you meet all of those criteria that I mentioned, eligibility, approval, borrowing, and the repayment, you will be able to use DoorDash Capital to borrow money from DoorDash. Make sure that you apply for their debit card if needed, and the option is going to become available on the app. So choose the option there. You will receive the funds on your preferred account. So you can go over to your account summary and set it up there. And after that is done, you will be able to use this financing program whenever needed to earn funds a little bit beforehand. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from DoorDash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.